Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can disable calls on Snapchat from any contacts. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Snapchat application on your device, then get logged in into your account. Now here at the home page of Snapchat, you need to tap on message icon on bottom of your screen. Now here you can go in for choosing any of the contacts to whom you want to disable the calls from. So I'm going with the very first contact. Here you need to tap on the profile icon of the user. There you need to tap on three dotted line on top right side of your screen. Here you can see the option of message notifications. You tap on it. Now here you need to tap on silent. And with that, you won't be getting any calls notification or the message notification from the contacts. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can disable calls on Snapchat from any contacts. Thank you.